aisle, I found this nice Samsung TV with USB input. Bits and bobs. As you can see right here, USB inputs, and this plug. This plug, I remember I've had at home for a long time. And this TV does not come with a plug. It's this plug can literally like touch into that. No way, it fits. Alright, always find out. Lift it back up. Oh dear. Always find out. So plug it in. Try the other way around. Or it could be the fuse in the plug socket. It's got a fuse in there, might have been a replacement fuse. I tried to see if it would work that, but it's working out instead. Well, it could be the fuse. It could be the fuse and a plug, or it could be the TV itself. You just don't know. Or you might need something more than just a power supply. Well, it could be that, or maybe the TV could be burnt out, even though it's completely intact. It has a fuse thing in there in the plug, so maybe that fuse could be dead. So if it's that, then you can have a working TV. Amazing, because that practically fits in the power supply, and this is not the original plug. This plug I've had for years, which I've had for this TV over here. Brilliant though, isn't it? Yeah, it mostly fits. I think it's just, it's either TV or could just be the fuse. It could be dead in this thing. Obviously, that's probably why. And this obviously this TV, I was hoping to have it actually working, so I can actually have it in the loft and actually working. So I can have a TV in the loft. And you've got a lovely colour. I do like the it's glass around the frame. It's really nice. It's like a blue colour. I'll just gave it a clean before I did it. Well, this plug fits into it, but either it could be the TV not working, or it could be the fuse in there could be not working. Or could it be? Or could it be the circuit, the plug socket itself? That's a fault. It's a fault now, actually. Oh. Let's try one of these. Try another plug-in. It's an old plug, so it could be the fuse in the plug, which might be causing it maybe not to work. If the TV works, obviously it'll be the plug socket, it'll be the fuse thing in it, which will need replacing. Other than that, all the TV's completely had it. What do I say? It's not a bad TV, I tell you. It's not a bad TV at all. It really isn't. Found it for free on the streets. You hear me? I found this TV for free. I can't believe it's got. I've never known TVs have USB plugging into it. I've never known TVs have that. Oh, I can only believe this plug socket can plug into it. It fits. Well, either the TV's broken or the fuse has had it. It's one of the two. See, it has a fuse in that, which could be dead. Which, if it is, it shows that might need replacing. But that plug, this plug socket, literally, it fits into this TV. And that's the main power plug. Brilliant. And next time try and attempt it, you might see it working. Or if not, I'll let you know.